Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been using Wix for a while now and you want to monetize your Wix website. So using ads, Google AdSense is one of the easiest ways to do it. So in this video, I will show you how to add Google AdSense to Wix in 2026, step by step and as usual fast and easy. So we're gonna get started by you opening the device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and look for Wix.com. So basically we're gonna do this after you create a Google AdSense account by going to Google AdSense, sign in and get approved for your website. So what I mean by getting approved, it's basically a setup. So when you are looking for AdSense approval on the internet, AdSense approval. Okay, for example, AdSense approval. We have all of this information here by creating your account, checking the eligibility, using tools like GetHit to check your website eligibility and ensure it meets Google's standards for monetization. The content quality, ensure your content is original, high quality, and relevant to AdSense guidelines. Traffic requirements as well, so make sure you follow all of this. Then you can copy your AdSense code. Once approved, copy the AdSense auto ads or ad unit code. Then we're gonna go back to the Wix dashboard. So here we go, we're gonna go back to Wix dashboard. Okay. Here we are. As for now, basically we're gonna go to the settings. As you see here, we have multiple options: business solutions, table reservation, AI marketing settings, website settings, manage plan, website roles, business, or whatsoever. We're gonna go all the way to custom code. So here it is. To add custom code, first go to the editor and publish your site. Okay, for example, let's say you already published your site and everything is looking good. You can now go to the add custom code button, tap it, then paste your AdSense code and set it to load on all pages. Choose placement like head or body, end, or basically whatever depending on you, and the AdSense instructions. Then save it and publish. And that's basically it. So thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.